be so hard.
There's no question Yusuf Muhammad's 5 children love their father.
And a hard-working father and the best dad in the world.
But they are forced to imagine a life without him.
I'm not really well in the mental space. I can't sleep really because I'm just worried what's going to happen to him if he goes back.
Muhammad is scheduled to be deported from Edmonton the day after Father's Day.
I have 5 kids and wife. And only they wanted, if they take me, they destroy 7 people, not only me.
Life is a struggle without a dad, and just like him not there, like it's just gonna break up our family.
The Somali man is confused and frustrated, and he's been through this before. But 5 years later,
every time I call, they say, oh, it's processing, it's progressing, it's everything look good.
I don't know what's going on. And my wife, she's a sponsor, inside a sponsor. They do everything they request in the immigration.
Muhammad has spent the last decade in Canada trying to prove his identity as a Somali refugee to the government. Made complicated, he's being deported to Kenya, likely because of a passport he says is falsified, purchased in a Kenyan refugee camp and used to travel to Canada in 2013 to reunite with his wife and, at the time, 2 children.
In a refugee environment where there was a civil war and terrorism and all kinds of things, you are in survival mode. And the Canadian immigration system is fully aware of that.
For Muhammad, he still has a work permit until the end of the year and is pleading to stay to support his family.
Come Canada, my wife and my kids, they get welfare. When I come Canada, I cut that welfare. Until now, 10 years, they don't take welfare, my kids.
Who's paid taxes since day one, who's not a criminal on any level, who's stayed with the same company. I mean, he stayed with the same company for 7 years. I mean, talk about loyalty. And now, this is the image of an immigrant that you want. And now you're throwing him out on Father's Day.
Canada Border Services tells City News they cannot comment on individual cases for privacy reasons. But the discretion that a removal officer may exercise to defer a removal is very limited, and in any case is restricted to when a removal order will be executed rather than whether the individual will be removed. A removal officer cannot defer a removal indefinitely.
We can't live without him. House with no dad is house with no light. We don't have light, we don't have life here.
A petition to the Canadian government on Muhammad's behalf has over 35,000 signatures. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.